cube of ice, like so. Yes, people, generally natural ital ginger shot. Yes, people, so I have my ginger in my blending cup. I'm just going to turn this over, put it onto this bullet blender, crank it on, and I think we're all set now, people. Just like that, I have my ginger shot. So all I'm going to do now with my little ginger shot is I can drink it straight out of the jar like this because it's only me alone drinking it, or I can store it. But what I'm going to do is ginger from this, just drink it like that with the fiber in it. But I think I want a smooth texture. This here, you don't have to throw it away, you can save it, mix it with yogurt, which I think I'm going to do, and a bit of honey, just because I don't like wasting anything. And just like that, like that, I have a ginger shot ready. Yeah, to top off my ginger shot, I'm just going to add a little made by me, Shanwar from Exploration. Hope you enjoy it, hope you'll try it. Let's have a little go. Refreshing, people. Cheers. Yeah, that ginger isn't too strong, but it's European ginger. I don't know where they export it from. I'll check the country in a minute. From China. So I'm used to Jamaican ginger. Jamaican ginger have the strongest flavor, as any Jamaican would tell you. This one is alright, but it's going down too smooth, like grape juice. Ginger is supposed to be fiery, really hot, leave a burn on the back of your throat. This one is it's alright still, but I'm not feeling that burn. I don't know if it's because I put too much water. But yes, people, please do try ginger shot at home. You can do it to your taste. Next time when I'm doing my ginger shot, I think I might add more ginger and just a tiny tip of water. Alright, people, so until next time, please do try this recipe. I'm gonna go off recipe and put a tiny bit of honey in it. This up now. Okay, people, I'm gonna put in ginger first. I've cut them up a bit smaller so that you know, it can fit into my food processor, which is not a very big one. I'm doing this that you don't have to use a food processor. You can do traditional and use mortar and pestle for a nice authentic feel, but you know, I'm doing easy life today. Okay, yeah, so I have ginger and garlic in the food processor. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil just to get it smooth, extra virgin. I love it. I'm gonna whiz this away now, and then I'll add the remaining ginger and garlic to it. Make sure it's secure. I'm And then 1, 2, 3. That sounds good. Put it on turbo. That's all chopped up nicely in seconds. Okay. That's how it's looking, people. But I want it even tinier than that, so I'm going to give it a little bit more of a spin. Get in there, people, get in there.
Yes, come on, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner of your eyes. So I pick my heart up off the floor, move my feet closer to yours, catch my breath and I say, I'm the one you're looking for. So come on, dance a little dance. Take my hand, darling, take a chance. You be my queen, I'll be your king. Show you everything that you've been missing, shorty. So come on, dance a little dance. Got me in a trance in just one glance. So don't wait no more, I'm the one you're looking for, shorty.